I think the best way for kids to understand what it is like to be admitted and what it is like to be here is represented by what other patients have said. One of our former patients wrote to other kids, "I know it's scary, but trust me, you can do this. You have the most amazing team here with you. Just believe. Please know it gets better. Everyone here loves and cares for you. It will be okay. If you're seeing this, then welcome to a new beginning." Child and Adolescent Psychiatry is an inpatient hospital that works with kids ages 6 to 18 when they're struggling with mental health concerns. We are not located within the walls of a high-rise hospital, so that allows us to use the environment fully to our advantage. We have an outdoor track, we have a playground and a basketball hoop so they can be active outside. We have healing gardens so the kids can be outside among nature where they're processing and talking about the different things that they're struggling with. We also have another garden where they can do planting, pick tomatoes, tend to the garden. It's really a cool experience for them. The inside of our building is very bright. We try to bring in a lot of natural elements. We have 3 separate wings for the kids that are treated here. A child wing, which is very open. There's a lot of space. We then have a tween unit in the hospital, which really is meant to cater to 11 and 12-year-olds who may not want to be with the younger kids. We then have a teenage area, which has a number of beds for those older teens, maybe 14 to 18 years old. So we really try to separate out the different age groups so that we can tailor therapy to what's appropriate for them. We have a schoolroom. There are individual study carrels so that kids who are working on the computer or just need a little less stimulation can get some schoolwork done. So a lot of kids who don't want to use words in their therapy can use dance and movement. So we actually now have a space dedicated towards that. We have a kitchen here on site so that the kids can order healthy foods that they want, and it's prepared here and delivered freshly to them. We have sensory rooms designed to be used one-on-one. Some of them have twinkle lights in the sky, which they love. Some of them have different color lights that you can put around the room just to kind of meet that kiddo where they're at and help them either calm down or get some energy if they need it for the day. When a child is admitted to the hospital, it can be a really overwhelming process for them and their families. We do welcome the child and their parents into a welcoming lobby, and then we take them into a private interview room so that we can spend some time one-on-one. We really want them to be able to settle in and feel comfortable for the rest of their stay. We use a lot of different therapy techniques here at CAP. They really all focus on helping kids communicate more effectively with their families, tolerate negative emotions and distress, and practice mindfulness, so being present in the moment. Our outpatient services here at CAP are so important because it offers that middle ground level of therapy. It's not quite as intense or restrictive as the inpatient unit, but it's also offering a lot more support and service than they might be getting seeing a therapist once a week. Parents and families are very important during their child's stay here at CAP. Our treatment team contacts the families every day to make sure that they're intimately involved in the care that their kids are receiving. And also we help them prepare because they're the ones who have to work with their kids once they get home. We want to make sure they have all the tools and skills that the kids have to support them in that transition. I would describe the team here as cohesive, very passionate, and the culture is so positive. We are all truly working here with the purpose towards the same common mission and goal to really help our community, help the kids and their families. If I can make a positive impact for that kid and their families just for a moment, that is so worth it.